Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imbuh Mukti, and my user number is 2005086081. So here I want to explain about speech function, politeness, stereotypes, and cross-cultural communication in classroom discourse of EFL context. So first of all, the function of speech. So there are several ways to categorize the function of speech, and the following list has proven useful in sociolinguistic research. So the first one is expressive speech, express the feelings of the speaker. And then the second one, directive speech, tries to make someone do something. And the third, referential utterances provide information. And then metalinguistic speech comments on the language itself. And poetic speech focus on the aesthetic features of the language. And the last one, speech utterances express solidarity and empathy for others. So the first three functions are recognized by many linguistics, despite the labels given perhaps, and therefore being very basic function of language. Empathic communication conveys an affective or social message rather than a referential message. One of the insights provided by sociolinguists is that language is not only used to convey referential information, but also to reveal information about social relations. And then about politeness. So in general, politeness involves contributing to social harmony and avoiding social conflict. More specifically, linguistic politeness involves discourse strategies or linguistic devices that are considered or judged by others to be used to maintain harmonious relationships and avoid causing problems. So there are two types of politeness. First is positive politeness, is oriented towards solidarity. So it emphasizes shared attitudes and values, express solidarity and minimize differences in status. And the second one, negative politeness, makes people respect and avoid disturbing them. Negative politeness involves appropriate self-experience in terms of social distancing and respect for differences in status. So it is important to remember that interactions are not static. What may be considered polite at the start of an interaction may come across as a bit stuffy and formal as the interaction progresses and people engage in lively conversation. In other words, what is considered polite or impolite can arise, change, and develop through interaction. So in addition, there are sociolinguistic norms for polite acceptance and rejection that differ across cultures, whereby the sociolinguistic rules governing more formal encounters are usually equally culturally determined. There are also rules about who has the right to contribute different elements, for example, the gender, age, and corresponding status of the participant were predetermined. So, okay, I think just that's all for me. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.